the point. Do you think you can wear makeup for 30 hours straight? Personally, I don't think I can do that, but Maybelline is saying that their new foundation will last up to 30 hours. So we're gonna put it to the test. No, I'm not gonna wear it for 30 hours, but I still wanna see how long it can look on my skin. So in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the brand new, well, it's new to me, Maybelline Superstay Lumi-matte foundation that can last up to 30 hours. Let's jump into it. So I did a little deep dive on this foundation, and from what I found out, there are 24 shades and it's saying that it can last up to 30 hours, okay? It's long wear, buildable, full coverage, so light it feels like air on the skin, at least that's what they're saying. We're gonna find that out if it's true. It has a flexible film that helps it resist sweat, water, and transfer. So they're saying that it's sweat proof, waterproof, and transfer proof. 30 hour shine control, all of this, and it's vegan. What makes it vegan, you ask? It has dimethicone, which is a silicone-based polymer that's known for its moisturizing and emollient properties that help create a silky feel on the skin. The second thing that's in here that's supposed to make it last 30 hours and also make it matte is the isododecone. I cannot pronounce it. Isododecane is a liquid hydrocarbon that's used as an emollient and a solvent. Okay, solvent is something that helps you, like, you know, mix things. It's lightweight, non-greasy, and enhances the spreadability of a product that it's put into, and it also contributes to the matte, non-shiny finish of the product. So we're getting two very main ingredients, and these are actually the third and the fourth ingredients in the product. I have high hopes just based on the description of the product and the ingredients. But first, I need to do something about my dryness. I am very dry today because I haven't used any products at all. I am going to be using the Point of View makeup. I'm going to be using the Point of View products just so you can see what they look like on my skin. You guys know that I have been using nude products, and I tell you guys that I'm using a nude product and my skin is looking and feeling fantastic. You have also seen it where you keep asking me what product is it that you're using. And I think you were asking me this even before Michaela announced that she was coming out with a brand. We had already done all of that already, okay? So I want to actually use it on camera so you can see. So my skin is oily, it's shiny, but it doesn't have any products on it at all. So we're gonna start a quick skin prep routine. Okay, so if you're somebody who doesn't like makeup, you can absolutely use these products as a skincare. But if you love makeup like I do, definitely you're gonna need. So first we're gonna go in with It. Okay, this is Drench It, a soothing milk primer. Next we're going in with Drip It. That has niacinamide, panthenol, and snow mushrooms in here. Next we're going in with Whip It. The thing that gets me with Whip It is the pearl-like properties. It doesn't really translate on camera, like you can't really see it, but it literally looks like you're putting pearls on your skin. If you're not wearing makeup, you can stop here, okay? But if you're a makeup girl like me, you're gonna go in with Glaze It. It's a tacky, sticky primer. The thing I love about this primer is it's clear. And just like that, my skin is ready for makeup. My lips are still hydrated and my skin is looking a lot better than it did when I started, right? Like, you can see it. Let's talk packaging. This is what the new Maybelline Superstay Lumi-matte looks like. These are glass bottles, okay? Packaging is looking very cute. It's really not giving drugstore at all. The shade of the product is printed right in the front, and it tells you all the details there is to know about the foundation. You can hear it when I shake it. Okay, so we have the three deepest shades here. This is the shade 375. Oh, I thought 375 was about to be my shade. I was hopeful there for a second. It's not a bad shade. It's just not my shade. Okay, this is the shade 400. And 400 is looking promising. 400 is definitely promising. I don't know how far it would go, but 400 is looking very promising. Okay, fingers crossed, we have one more. If it doesn't work very well, this is 405, and 405 is, it's not looking bad. Okay, Maybelline, it looks like I might have to mix 405 and 400 to be able to get like a workable shade for me. Yeah. What do you think? Let me know what you think. I really feel like there needs to be a shade between 400 and 405. The deepest person, this one is also pulling very almost purple. I'm gonna go over the part that I wiped with Drip It again just to re-prime my skin. I'm gonna go in with a bit of 400 just to see what it looks like. I'm not even using a pump. It's like half a pump of this. I want to know if it oxidizes. It does match the lighter parts of my skin very well. This is a cool toned foundation. 400 does not look bad on my skin at all. Like it doesn't look bad. I decided after I blended in some MAC foundation not to judge foundations based on their swatches alone and to just try to blend some in just so I can see what it actually looks like when it's blended in to know whether or not it's a good look for me, okay? And this one, it's not looking bad. It looks like it matches the lighter parts of my face. It's not a bad looking foundation at all. Very liquidy because you can see it running down my face and it blends in like a dream. Okay, I want to see what one pump will look like on. I thought this foundation wouldn't match my skin tone. Based on those swatches alone, I didn't have a shade, but blending it in and not judging the foundation by the swatches, yeah, it looks very gorgeous and it literally is matching my Skin Prep shine for shine. Like it did not dim down. This foundation does not dim down your shine. When I put it on my skin as a swatch, it looks like it doesn't belong. But blend it in, and this is a full coverage foundation. Like I can't even feel it on my skin. And the parts of my face, the burn scar is disappeared. That acne mark is disappeared. My under eyes look good. My skin looks even and blended in. It doesn't look like I have foundation on. I don't even feel like I have foundation on. I also went and dampened a sponge so I can use it to take off any excess I have, and I don't need it. It's very lightweight, and because I saw full coverage, I thought it was gonna sit heavy on the skin, that I was gonna absolutely need a sponge to absorb the excess, but I don't need it. And I'm also not upset that I blended it in. It doesn't look bad at all. Okay, Maybelline, like what did you... Did it oxidize a little bit? Is that what happened? So this is what the match is looking like. Let me know down below in the comments what you think. I don't mind this at all. It's so pretty on and I'm here for it, okay? Okay, honey, this is my finished look. I am gonna go and come back in a little bit. I actually finished my base at 1:30. The time is now 3:39. I'm gonna do a quick wear test like I always do, and we're gonna come back so you can see what it's looking like. At this point, okay, at this point, you can say that this is a review of the Point of View products, especially the primer, just so you can see how it works with the foundation that I have it sitting on and the foundation. I'll see you guys in a little bit. My skin looks so good. So good. I'm obsessed. Look at this. Time is now 9:08 p.m. My hands are back to me actually. Time is now 9:08. I finished my base around 1:30. So it's almost 8 hours since I did my base, and this is what my face is looking like. I literally went from doing makeup to taking care of some kids' needs to putting up curtains at my friend's house, back to eating, and now I'm here. My base does not look bad at all. I feel like with a little blotting action, everything will be okay. I know I should put lotion on my hands, but guys, the base looks really good. I personally would say if you use me as your shade reference, is definitely check out the shade 400. I feel like 400 blends in a lot deeper than it looks in the bottle. I'm like 85% confident that the shade will actually match you. Let me know down below in the comments what you think about the shade match and what it looks like right now. Have you tried this foundation? Will you be trying this foundation? Let me know down below in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. I love you lots, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.